In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on Dropbox. If you've been getting storage warnings or you're simply trying to tidy up your files, this walkthrough will show you how to properly delete items so they no longer take up space in your account. We'll move step by step through the Dropbox web interface, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to clear out files and make sure they're completely gone. First, open your browser and go to your Dropbox home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your folders and files listed in the main area. Take a moment to scan through and identify files or folders you no longer need, such as outdated documents, old project folders, or duplicate backups. When you've found something you're happy to remove, move your mouse over that file or folder. On the right-hand side, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take on that item. In this menu, look for the option labeled Delete and click it. Dropbox will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the file or folder. Confirm the deletion. At this point, the item is removed from your main view, but it isn't permanently gone yet. Think of this like moving something to the recycle bin on your computer. It's out of sight, but it's still using storage. To fully free up space, you need to clear it from the deleted files area as well. On the left-hand side of your Dropbox dashboard, find and click on Deleted Files. This section shows everything you've recently deleted from your account. Browse through this list and locate the file or folder you just deleted. Again, you'll see the 3 dots icon next to each item. Click on the 3 dots for the item you want to remove permanently. In the menu that appears, choose the option that permanently deletes or removes it. Confirm your choice. Once you do this, that file is completely removed from Dropbox and the space it was using is freed up. Repeat this process for as many files and folders as you need, deleting them from your main files first and then from the deleted files section. Keep going until you've cleared enough space to meet your needs.